The Apple iPhone SE series has earned a reputation for striking a balance between affordability and high-end performance. As we approach the launch of the highly anticipated iPhone SE 4, the excitement surrounding its features and design is palpable. This iteration promises not only to carry on the legacy of its predecessors, but to elevate the SE line to new heights with modern upgrades and enhancements. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the leaks, rumors, and officially confirmed features of the iPhone SE 4, equipping you with everything you need to know as we head into 2024. One of the most significant rumors surrounding the iPhone SE 4 is its anticipated design overhaul. Traditionally, the SE models have taken cues from older iPhone designs, but it appears that Apple is ready to embrace a more contemporary aesthetic. This design change could mean a departure from the classic chunky bezels and the physical home button that has characterized previous models. Instead, the iPhone SE 4 might feature an all-screen design that offers an immersive visual experience, akin to the latest flagship iPhones. Another exciting possibility is the inclusion of Face ID, a feature that has primarily been reserved for Apple's premium models. The introduction of Face ID would enhance the security and convenience of the iPhone SE 4, allowing users to unlock their devices with a simple glance. This upgrade promises substantial enhancements in speed, efficiency, and overall performance. With either the A15 or A16 chip, users can anticipate impressive battery life, improved thermal management, and lightning-fast processing speeds. The capabilities of the A16 Bionic chip would position the iPhone SE 4 as a formidable contender in the smartphone market, allowing it to handle demanding applications and multitasking with ease. The integration of 5G technology aligns perfectly with Apple's commitment to providing its users with cutting-edge features that enhance their everyday experiences. One of the hallmark features of the iPhone SE series has always been its affordability. Apple's pricing strategy has kept SE models competitive, offering high-quality devices at a more accessible price point. The iPhone SE 4 is anticipated to continue this trend, even with the rumored upgrades. Speculations suggest that it may start at 128 gigabytes, catering to users who require additional space for apps, media, and files. As we eagerly await the official unveiling of the iPhone SE 4, it's clear that this device is poised to make a significant impact in 2024. The combination of modern design, advanced features, powerful performance, and affordability will undoubtedly appeal to a wide range of consumers. In conclusion, the iPhone SE 4 promises to deliver a refreshing blend of innovation and accessibility, making it an attractive option for those looking to experience the best of Apple without breaking the bank. Subscribe, like, and share.